G'day and welcome to the Murder Valley YouTube channel. Today on the workbench, I've got a piece of track set up with a dial tension gauge on there, and I've made a little hook on it, and I'm going to put some chassis on there and lift them up like a tow truck and we're going to get a gram force measurement on how much force it takes to lift the chassis to get the tyres to let go of the track. And what this is going to do is it's going to give us an accurate sort of comparison between chassis and how much magnet strength they have. So I've got 4 chassis for testing today. I've got 2 Bulldogs and 2 Super 7s. I'll leave it up to you what you like and what your preferences are, whether you like a lot of magnet or a little, but this video should be able to assist you in deciding perhaps which one you want to buy. So these are all currently in production chassis. I highly support everyone, supporting the current manufacturers and what currently gets made. So this is why I'm not sitting here and putting things on here that have been out of production for 20-30 years, because that's not productive for anyone. So here we go. So the first chassis up for test, I have a Bulldog with a brass weight in it. Now obviously this doesn't have a traction magnet, so we would be expecting the measurement to be low. So here we go. So I'm setting the back wheels up to the yellow line here. Try to get that so that it's close to being level, and here we go. So there's a 0 reading. So I've got 2 hooks to try and lift the chassis squarely. And there you go. So that's it lifting off, and I'm guessing that's about 25 or 30 grams. I don't know because it's below the scale. So I can't really give an accurate figure on that one, but it's low. So the next chassis is the Bulldog wide magnet. Again, dead stock and as it comes out of the packet. Okay, so back wheels in the yellow line. Here we go. Here we go, there's 50 grams. Oh, I think that's about 55. It's just over 50 anyway. So roughly about double the amount of magnet traction that the non-magnet has. The next chassis, this is the Super 7 SC. This is the one with the standard type front wheels. These motors have stronger magnets in them. Yeah, and they've got the Super G Plus style of saddle pack magnet, but they're shorter because the motor's a little bit longer in those. So let's get that on there. Here we go, line that up. Okay, here we go. So let's start the lift or start the pull and see how we go. So there's 100. What's that one? That's about 110. So you can see that's about double the Bulldog. And the last chassis is the Super 7, and this is the GDS. This one comes with the O-ring style front rims and the double flanged rears with the slightly skinnier tyre. Same motor, I think, as the SC. But I think the magnet traction magnets are slightly different. Where are we? Okay. Oh, try and set that up the same. Okay, here we go. So what is this one? What's this one going to score? Oh, there we go. So that finally let go. I'll just hold those front wheels so that that seems to let go at about 140 to 145. So it's about twice the magnet strength of the wide magnet Bulldog. So there you go, there's the comparison for you. And just for novelty's sake, here's a little thing I've been mucking around with. This is a Bulldog non-mag. I remade brass weights for it, so I've made the back weight on my milling machine, and then the front weights on both my milling machine, or lathe and milling machine. I've got a lower spec motor in it that has weaker magnets. I've got foam tyres on it, steel pinion. The wheels are from, if you're wondering, are from Jag Hobbies. They're off a TR3. I think they're also on a PR5. But yeah, what's this one going to get? It's the other end of the scale to the one we just had on there. There are chassis with much stronger magnets than what we've just been testing. So here we go, and that's it. Literally, the needle hardly moves, and it's off the track. But yeah, so there you go. You may have seen my videos on my Facebook page for Murder Valley with the little Morris Minor 1000 body on it, and then I've also just something different to look at for the collectors. Just got a couple of my collector cars in the back out of my sets. So the Aussie Vineyards car and the Red Bull car, just something different. But yeah, so thanks very much for watching. I hope you've learned something out of it. Any chassis you want me to test, because I've got a large number of them, not all, but if you want to compare something to something, let me know what it is in the comments. Like and subscribe if you like the types of videos that I'm putting up. That's what's sort of motivating me to do this. Facebook sort of hit its limitations for me, and I don't think I need the message of what I'm putting out there and the types of things I'm doing to get out further than what Facebook is doing for me. So hopefully we'll get some more Aussies doing garage racing and looking at hoe seriously, and even there's a 6-lane hoe track at Showisher Slots just north of Newcastle. If you want to race in a shop, but hopefully we'll get some more racing going. We'll get some more clubs started up, and you know, try and make something bigger out of hoe and get it somewhere. But yeah, we've got 2 clubs that are racing currently in the Australian Hoe Racing League. If you look them up on Facebook, there's we've got the page, the Australian Hoe Racing League, and then of course there's the Newcastle Hoe Racing League, which started. We originally started back in early 2017, but actually formed the Hoe Racing League in about 2018. And then recently, at the end of last year, we've had the Gold Coast Racing League join us. So we're hoping to get some sort of standards and things and get some more guys involved. And everyone I've met through this hobby, there's some interesting characters, and some have made some really good friends out of it. And you know, the Newcastle Hoe Racing League, we race on Sunday nights. The Gold Coast, they race once a fortnight. I think they've been racing on Saturdays recently. If you're near these areas and hoe slot car racing sounds like something you might be interested in, reach out, contact the boys. Like I said, we can be found on Facebook. But yeah, look us up, get involved. Hope to see you trackside, lads. See ya.